Jordan's got a big pike here. You're doing good. Just keep it up. You're doing great. See your pole's bent. That's good. Keep your tip up. And I'm gonna get the net ready. Keep going, baby. You're doing fantastic. You're doing great. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep doing it. I'll tell you when I see it. I don't see him yet. You're doing fantastic. Keep your tip up. Okay, put your left hand here. Whoa, he's pulling line off. You got a big one. Whoa, you got a big one. Here, let me help you switch your hand around. Put your left hand here. Put your left hand over where your right hand is. You're right there. Now keep your hand up. Keep cranking. Here, I see him. I see him. Bring him up. Oh boy, I see him. I see him. Keep going, baby. Whoa! That's a mama! Whoa, Juju! Whoa! Whoa! Juju! You caught a pike! Juju, look! What do you think? Whoa, that's a big one!
That pike.
That's a big pike!
Okay, can we go back? He's flashing me.
What did you say?
He's flashing me.
Give me a thumbs up. You caught a pike.